Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use AirPod Max on PS5. First, it's important to understand that AirPod Max do not connect directly to your PlayStation 5 via its built-in Bluetooth. You'll need a separate Bluetooth audio adapter. Make sure your AirPod Max are fully charged and ready to go before we begin the setup process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. To get started, you'll need a compatible Bluetooth adapter. Look for one that plugs into a USB-C or USB-A port on your PlayStation 5, ideally supporting Bluetooth 5.0 for optimal performance. It's vital that the adapter specifically supports audio transmission and offers low latency for gaming. Brands like Creative or Aventry often provide reliable options for this purpose, ensuring a good experience. Once you have your adapter, plug it into any available USB port on your PlayStation 5. Next, put your Bluetooth adapter into pairing mode. This usually involves pressing and holding a small button on the adapter itself. Then, grab your AirPod Max, press and hold the noise control button until the status light flashes white. The devices should then automatically connect, typically within 5 to 10 seconds, establishing your wireless audio link. After pairing, navigate to your PlayStation 5 sound settings. Under Output Device, select the USB headset option, which represents your connected adapter. Adjust the volume levels to your preference, and if your adapter supports a microphone, ensure the input device is also correctly selected. If you encounter any issues, try repairing the devices or double-checking your adapter's compatibility. Always confirm AirPod Max are chosen as the primary audio output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.